Hey guys, so the first question, you can see that there are two parallel lines and they are asking us to find the values of x as well as y. So it's very easy for us to find the value of x first, right? So when there are parallel lines, we can consider about three things. The first we can consider alternate angle as well as corresponding angles and allied angles. There are three things to consider. Okay, fine. So here we can see that there is a C shape. Okay, fine. So if you go through that, yes, there's the relationship of this 100, it's allied angle. So x plus 110, the sum of these two angle is equals to 180. So x plus 110 is equals to 180. That means we can find the value of this x equals 70. So what is the reason? The reason is allied angles. Okay, so now we have the value of this x. Now can we find the value of this y or not? Yes, easy. For that, what we have to do is just we have to concern about this small triangle. You can see there's this triangle, and when it comes to triangle, we can concern about few things. The first one is the interior angles. The sum of the interior angle is equals to 180. Okay, fine. But here y is in exterior, so what can we do? We can use that exterior angle theorem. The sum of the the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the interior opposite angle. The sum of the interior opposite angle. So x plus 50 is equals to this y. Okay, fine. So the value of x is already we have taken there as 70. So 70 plus 50 is equals y. So y equals, we can add them both, 70 plus 50. So the answer is 120. So this one is very easy. So as I explained you earlier, we have to consider about the interior angle as well as the exterior angle. Now here, can we find the value of this interior? So how to find out that? Because those two angles are joining by a straight line. So that means the adjacent angles, the sum of the adjacent angles of a straight line is equals to 180. So that means the value of this should be 50. 50 plus 130 is 180, right? Now we can concern about this exterior angle. It's an exterior angle. The exterior angle is equals to the interior, the sum of the interior opposite angles. Fine. So 70 plus 50 again, x equals 120. We have to write the reasons as well. This time they are asking us to find the value of y, as well as they have given one information that AB is equals AC. That means it's isosceles triangle. When it comes an isosceles triangle, the opposite angles of same sides are equal. That means the value of this angle is y again. Now the sum is equals to 180. That means 2y plus 2y y equals 180. That means there are 4y in total is equals 180. Now we can find the value of y. How? Just we have to divide both the side by 4. So the value of y is equals 45. Now this question is not much hard. It's a bit easy, right? So you can see they have mentioned this O as a center. So that means we can apply this theory. The angle subtended at the center by an arc is twice the angle subtended on the circumference by the same arc. So okay, fine. So here the value, it's a semicircle. That means the value is 180. That means this should be 90. 90 into 2 is equals to 180. Okay, fine. So now we got the value of this part. Okay, fine. Now we'll consider this small triangle. Okay, fine. Now the sum of the interior angle is equals to 180. Now already 90 and 65 is there. That means to obtain 180, this should be 25. Okay, now easy for us to find out the value of this x. How? Because I am saying that it's an isosceles triangle. How it could be? Because if you see, these two lines are radius. So in a circle, the magnitude of the radius won't change, right? If it is 7 centimeter, again here also 7 centimeter. That means now we can consider this as an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the opposite angles are equal. Okay, fine. So the value of x is equals 25. That's all. So now moving to the last one, it's very easy. We can consider the same segment here. Same segment, you can see now. Angles by the same segment. Okay, fine. So that means if this is 50, then how much is the value of this a? Again it's 50. A equals 50. Why? What is the reason? Because it's same segment. Now again we have to find the value of this b. How to calculate the value of b? Already I explained in the previous question as well, because angle at the center, all they have mentioned this O as a center, so that means angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. Already we have found the value of this, it's 50. If this one is 50, then how much is this? B should be 100, twice of that. You have to write the reason as well.